Hello, welcome. Question number 7, WASSCE 2025 Nigeria edition section B. Yaro drove from town Gaja to Banga. After 2 hours, in the journey, he observed that he had covered 80 kilometers and realized that if he continued driving at same average speed, he will end up being late for 15 minutes. Being late, which means you overspend extra 15 minutes, right? If he decided to increase the speed by 10 kilometers per hour, he would have arrived at Banga 36 minutes earlier, meaning he will have eat into the time and come earlier than what usual. We have to find the distance that is between Gaja and what Banga. Let's see if we can just make some sketch and have here to be Banga, and we have here to be Gaja, right? So these are the distance. So along the journey, getting to a particular point, you realize that the distance is going to be 80 kilometers. Then whatever is left is the next distance that we are left to find. So let's see, this is going to be, let's use D, or okay, distance. So let's use D. So that is what is going to be left to cover. But here, the time taken to cover this distance is given to us as what? 2 hours. So he used 2 hours. Now, if that is the case, then he observed that if you move with the same speed, so we can easily find the speed of what? The first part of the journey. So we can say that speed for first the speed for the first part of the journey is going to be, remember, speed equals to, let me just say, S equals to the distance divided by what? Time. So in this case, let's continue here. The distance covered is 80 kilometers. The time is 2 hours. So our speed for the first part is going to be 40 kilometers per hour. So he said if the speed is taken from here to this place, if he continue that speed, he is going to be late for 15 minutes. So what do? We can still look at the concept of speed, the speed for the remaining journey. So let's see speed for remaining So the speed for the remaining journey is also going to be speed equals to distance over what? Time taken. But in this case, we already know the speed as which is moving. But is moving from here. We want to see the other way, right? So we can say that speed, which is 40, equals to the distance over time. Let's say in this case, we are saying the time time 1 time 2 should be equals to, what variable can you use? Let's just use t. Time 2 is t, no problem. So if that's the case, then we are going to have t, but he will be 15 minutes in extra. The time that he will get there will be an additional 15 minutes because he's late. If the time is supposed to be 5 o'clock, he will get there 5:15. So 5 o'clock is the time. The extra 15 should be added to this t in order to match the speed that is being taken. And 15 in hours will be 15 minutes in hours. 15 divided by what? 60, 1 over 4 in decimal, 0.25. So this is what we are going to have for the speed if you continue with this speed. Then let's cross multiply and see that our d will now be equals to 40 times t plus, this is going to be 10 times this will be 2.5. 2.5 times 4. 2.5 times 4, 5, that will be 10, right? That will give us 10. So this is in terms of D is in terms of T. So let's leave that. Now, if he increase the speed, right? If increase the average speed by 10, it means the speed will now be more than what? 40 kilometers per hour. So let's say if speed is increased, we are going to have new speed will be equals to the 40 plus 10 all in kilometers per hour. That gives us 50 kilometers per hour. So it means that now if he has decided now to use the speed 50, no more 40, 50, he's still going to cover this distance with the same time. So the speed that we have, this means that the 50 speed will still be equal to the distance that is going to cover divided by the time. But in this case, you will get there earlier. So if the time is 5 o'clock, you will have been there 4:24 that way. It means that you will have taken the 36 minutes. Where is it? 36 minutes from the actual time that you will get there. So that is a subtraction. So 36 divided by 60 is not 6 there 6, 6 there 10. So that's 0.6. So we subtract 0.6 from it. Cross multiply. We have 50t. 10 times this is going to be 6. 6 times 5 will give us minus what? 10. Right? If no, it will be 30. This is so we have what? 30. So as our second equation. So you can see we are having two equations, both with D starting in terms of what? T. So if D is the same thing here, D is the same thing here, we can equate the two equations and find the time, substitute to find what? The distance. So here we equate, we can say that equating equation 1 and with equation 2, we can say that 40t plus 10 is equals to 50t minus what? 30. Let's do grouping of like terms. Let's say this 30 is coming here, so 10 plus 30, 50t is there, then 40t will subtract. What happened here? You have your 40, here you have your 10t. That means t is going to be 4 hours. It means the time you spend to complete this part of the journey is going to be 4 hours. But now how to be the distance? So let's say we put t equals to 4 into any of the equation. I'm picking equation 1, meaning d will now be equals to 40 times what? 4 plus 10. And that will give us 160 plus 10, making 170. But that is going to be in what? Kilometers. What are we looking for? We are looking for the distance between Gaja to Banga. So we can only say that, therefore, the total distance between Gaja and Banga is going to be, the first part is 80 kilometers, the second part is 170 kilometers, and if you put that together, that becomes 250 kilometers, right? If you pick 30 here, you are left with 50. So 250. That's the distance we have. Now, this can also be done in different ways. Instead of expressing this in terms of speed, we can also decide to find the time. Time is also distance over speed. So if I'm looking for this time, it's going to be this distance over the speed of 40 that will have been used. And that will have been equal to the time I'm looking for plus the extra 15. You do the same for the next one, you come back to the same concept. The time is 10 minutes plus, so I'll leave it. If you have understood the second concept I'm talking about, solve it and share your thoughts in the comment section. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.